open your ears up and soak this game up. If nobody don't know you, I'ma make y'all famous. It's 24 carats, but it shine like stainless. Just look at how the diamonds compliment my fingers. Yes, indeed. Choking me. Oh, I need a breath to breathe. Chase it with the Hennessy. Now that's how G play. Especially when I'm f***ing that to the DJ. They bout to do it big. Give them some leeway. Security stop tripping and you be easy. Yes, sir. It's the bubble right here. You're all beautiful women if you're insecure. Just see you work that. Twerk that. Serve that. Come on and do the rodeo. Let me see you bounce that. Have nothing on, got everybody watching you so you could show that thong. It's your birthday, la mama, get your Kodak on, but don't quit showing the world you in the throw that song. We ain't beefing right now, we on a positive vibe, but I still keep the homicide squad on the side. Yeah, I'm holding on the steering wheel, controlling the ride, and y'all coming out of pocket cause I got it in drive. I'm really feeling your outfit, it must be nice. A hard worker like myself could afford that price. I can't deny that you's a beautiful. Got a face and a smile that won't let me see you work that. Twerk that, serve that. Come on and do the rodeo. Let me see you bounce that. Move that, do that. Let me see you do the rodeo. Let me see you work that. Twerk that, serve that. Come on and do the rodeo. Let me see you bounce that. Move that, do that. Let me see you do the rodeo. We not judging by size, that's all statistics. Just turning lights down in this ballerific. It's not the right spot to let your daughters visit. There's some freaks up in here and it's all explicit. My round put me on you just cause he won't hit. I hope you don't be tripping on some be-home. Cause Jack ain't worried about who Stacy with. And he don't have to be putting up with Stacy. I ain't lying sometime when you cross my path. Up in the club all night and stalk you. Big fine, I ain't tripping. And I know you ain't tripping, cause you know you wore that the other night for me. You know what I'm saying? Twerk that, twerk that, serve that. Come on and do the rodeo. Let me see you bounce that. Move that, do that. Let me see you do the rodeo. Let me see you work that. Twerk that, serve that. Come on and do the rodeo. Let me see you bounce that. Move that, do that. Let me see you do the rodeo. Let me see you. Come on and do the rodeo. Let me see you bounce that. Move that, do that. Let me see you do the rodeo. Let me see you. Come on and do the rodeo. Let me see you bounce that. Move that, do that. Let me see you do the rodeo.
They wanna be, shorty's gonna be a thug. Said he wanna be, but they's gonna be. He said he's gonna be, shorty's gonna be a thug. Said he's gonna be, but they's gonna be. He said he wanna be, shorty's gonna be a thug. Said he wanna be, but they's gonna be. He said he wanna be, shorty's gonna be a thug. Was a nice middle class nigga, but no one knew the evil he do when he got a little bigger. Good off to find a blaze while puffing on a Newport, plotting on another way to catch a case. Was only 16, yeah, convicted as a felon with a bunch of old niggas, but you the only one ain't telling. I tell you it's a cold world, stay in school. You tell me it's a man's world, play the rules and fade fool. Break rules until we major, blaze up. Getting with hoes through my pager, what's raised up? Commence the money making tactics, it's getting drastic. Niggas got automatics. My fingers on the trigger, tell the Lord make way for another straight thug nigga. I'm sitting getting buzzed, looking for some love from the homies. Cause shorty wanna be a thug. Said he wanna be, but said he's gonna be, but said he's gonna be. Shorty's gonna be a thug. Said he's gonna be, but said he's gonna be, but said he's gonna be. Shorty's gonna be a thug. Said he's gonna be, but said he's gonna be, said he's gonna be. Shorty's gonna be a thug. Said he's gonna be, but said he's gonna be, said he's gonna be. Shorty's gonna be a thug. Straight from the hall to the pen. An adolescent nigga standing way higher than 6'10". He carry weight like a Mack truck. On the bus on player haters. If the motherfuckers act tough, then that's what I leave the weapon with the razor. This little nigga smoking weed and getting blazed up. No one can figure when the gun blast, pull the trigger. Could take the life of a young nigga, guns bigger. No mother and father, you see the niggas all alone. Old time is my role model, the war song. Been laced with this game till it's a part of me. My heart don't beat no fear, and it ain't hard to see. The future's looking dim. I'm trying to make a profit out of living in the sin. I'm in the dark getting buzzed, looking for some love out with the homies. Cause shorty wanna be a thug. Gonna be, said he's gonna be. One day he's gonna be. Shorty's gonna be a thug. Said he's gonna be. One day he's gonna be. Said he's gonna be. Shorty's gonna be a thug. Said he's gonna be. One day he's gonna be. Said he wanna be. Shorty's gonna be a thug. Said he gonna be. One day he's gonna be. Said he wanna be. Shorty's gonna be a thug. Shorty's gonna be a thug. Little badass nigga. To the young niggas. Go ahead, sharp nigga. Play your part. Got plenty of time. Motherfuckers. You're only getting 3 mistakes and then that's life, big bag. It's crazy. Watch the signs. Damn, you ain't but 16, nigga. 16. Some bad motherfuckers.